Hey yogis, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed your holidays and 2019 is slowly coming to an end. Usually when the new year is close, people start to set goals for the upcoming year, and maybe you want to set some goals or have already. That's great. And a lot of the goals usually include moving more, being healthier, being happier, maybe picking up a yoga practice, maybe start meditating more. All those kind of things. We sat down and worked pretty hard over the Thanksgiving holidays to create a new, very exciting program that we will launch in the new year. This program is called Ignite.
Oftentimes when people are asking us or commenting about how they can get started with yoga or where to begin or what's a series of videos that they can follow to start building a healthier routine and get into a habit of making it a practice, Flo and I usually just send a group of videos that we think works well, but they weren't filmed together with the intention of sending them out as a single series. So that's why we were really excited and inspired to create this series specifically, because it's a full 28-day challenge. So it'll encompass everything in your practice, from pranayama, breath work, to meditation and asanas as well, the physical poses and movements. So each class every day will encompass the full spectrum of yoga. And then each day is going to focus on different areas of the body, different forms of pranayama and breath work, different styles of meditation. And then over the course of the full month, you can really start to build a habit out of stepping onto your mat and taking time for yourself, so you can move in your body, feel healthier and happier, and also find a little bit more stillness in the mind. And really that's what we're trying to cultivate in this practice of yoga, is discovering a little bit more about ourselves so we can infuse that self-love, so we can spread it on to everyone else. But it really begins with an internal practice.
It takes about 30 days to create a new habit, and especially if this is challenging for you to sit down and practice or sit down and meditate every day, then this program seems like a good fit for you. And we encourage you grab a friend or a few friends and you do this program together. So you commit to the practice for just a month, every single day, and then usually you have a new habit created, and then after that month it's easier to do it than not to do it. So you will find less excuses to skip the practice or do something else instead, especially if you have your friends with you and you create a new healthy habit altogether. Our intention is really to help you set a good foundation for a happier and healthier life for the upcoming year. So you start the first month nice and strong, focusing on you, starting it just really well, so that you set a good foundation for the next upcoming 11 months of the year. So we have the beginner student that has never practiced yoga before in mind, as well as the person that practices on a day-to-day basis. We are very sure that this program is something that you will enjoy because it's so well-rounded. We will move usually in all directions. There's a nice variety or a mix between strength building poses but also flexibility and mobility. Before every video we will tell you what props you will need, either if it's a blanket or a bolster or some pillows or blocks or whatever you have at home or what you might want to get for this video. And there will be a video coming out every day in the first week. So Monday is the first video, and then it will be Tuesday, Wednesday and so on until Sunday. So you do a full week of those videos, and then you just repeat from the beginning again. So you do the whole week, all 7 videos 4 times, and then you have a full month.
So grab a buddy and get them to join in on the challenge. And you can fill out the form in the description below to join in. We'll be sending you email reminders and uploading the videos as we go, so that you have everything you need in your inbox in one cute little package sent right to you. Also, it's nice to have a buddy with you. They help hold you accountable, and it makes the whole program more fun. And if you'd like to take photos of your practice or do a time lapse of it, of course you can upload those and tag us on social media, and we love watching your journey as well. So if you do choose to do that, then please use the hashtag IgniteWithBNF. That'll also be in the description below. And when you do that, then you'll see more and more people are joining the community, and it'll just create a nice energy for you and inspire you too to see how many other people are stepping on the mat and choosing to take that time to invest in themselves so that they can pour that love onto others.
This program is completely free since it's here on YouTube, so it doesn't cost you anything. We just want you to commit to this practice, commit to yourself, to your own happiness, and to be healthy. That's really important to us, and we think that everything else will fall into place. Without that, you really can't work on any other goals you have in your job or relationship or whatever it is. First, you gotta focus on you, and so with this series, we really hope to help you and to stay motivated. We will do all the videos with you together, and we are actually both in the videos. So one person is teaching, the other person is practicing. Actually, we're both practicing at the same time, but only one person is teaching while they're doing it. So we're practicing and working hard with you. Even if you don't do this with a friend, you have us with there. So always feel free to message or comment below. We are always there for you if you have any additional questions as well.
We're excited to have 2020 kick off as one of your best years yet, and we're stoked to be here with you on the journey. So please sign up below in the description to join the challenge. Tag a friend, comment below, share the message. This is a free program to help you feel healthier and happier in your life, and we really, truly believe that yoga can do that for you. So thank you so much for watching. We're excited to join this program and send it out with you. So keep your eyes peeled in your inbox. You'll be getting an email, and it will start the first Monday of January 2020. Thank you.